Hi, friends. Thanks so much for stopping by. I hope you are having the absolute best day ever. Today, I am sharing with you my morning cleaning routine, and my hope is that this gives you motivation to start your day off being productive. And with that being said, let's jump right into the video. As you saw, I just had my morning coffee, which is a must-have for me. The minute I wake up, I have to have that coffee. It just gives me a burst of energy to get through my mornings since they do start at 5:30. My oldest has to be on the bus by 6:40, so every morning I'm getting up at 5:30, 5:40 to start my day. And once the kids are off to school, I then start getting myself ready. And once I finish getting ready, I always like to wipe down the countertops of any makeup residue or hairspray residue. And then I'll put away my makeup bag or anything that I got out while getting ready. And just doing this little maintenance cleaning really helps out a lot in between my deep cleaning sessions. Once I finish in the bathroom, I move on to my bedroom, straightening it up, gathering any dirty clothes that need to go downstairs to the laundry room, and of course, making my bed. But I love having a routine for my mornings. Now, I'm human and sometimes this routine doesn't happen, but I have to say, on the days that I am following this routine, I have the most productive day. And not only that, I'm a much happier person. It just kind of, I don't know, it sets my day off on the right foot, and it just completely changes my mental outlook for the day. I'm happier, I'm more positive, and like I said, I'm definitely more productive. So I highly recommend that you find a routine that works for you in the mornings, even if it's just simply making your bed. Just that little bit of productivity will definitely help your day get off to the right start, and that productivity will just continue with you throughout the day. It's just something about having a morning routine. I don't know, it just energizes me. So I highly recommend that you create a routine that works for you. Before I clean the main area of my home, I always like to start by throwing in a load of laundry to be washed. That way, while the clothes are washing, I can be cleaning. And typically by the time I'm done straightening things up, the cycle has run its course and the clothes are ready to be transferred to the dryer. But I even kind of play a game where I try to get as much cleaning done while the washing machine is running. And I don't know, it just kind of makes cleaning a little bit more fun. And it's surprising how much you can get done if you kind of time or give yourself a set amount of time. So once I have finished up in the laundry room, I then move on to my family room, and I'm simply doing surface cleaning in the mornings. I'm not doing any thorough deep cleaning here. I'm just fluffing pillows, maybe doing some dusting, but mostly just putting things away and straightening things up. Moving on to my kitchen, and this is the final area of my morning cleaning routine. And I start by clearing the countertops of any clutter, put things back in their places, back where they belong. I empty the dishwasher of any clean dishes and then fill it with any dirty dishes that have been dirtied from the morning or even the night before. But to clean the dishes, I like to use the Kroger brand dish packs. If you are a Kroger shopper, I thought I would mention it because they're a much more affordable alternative to the Cascade brand, and they work really well at cleaning. They do a good job of cleaning the dishes. Just thought I'd mention that. So once I finish with the dishes, I then clean the countertops. I'm using the Mrs. Meyers multi-surface cleaner in the scent Snowdrop. I love this scent. This is leftover from their holiday scent, and I actually bought multiple bottles of it when they released it because it is such a nice clean scent, and it even has a little bit of a woodsy kind of smell to it. I don't know how to describe it, but it's just a really nice scent. And once I've finished with the countertops, I'll then move on to vacuuming. But I would love to hear from you. What are you up to today? If you'd like to share with me any of your routines, if there's a particular task that you find if you do this task in the mornings, it sets your day off for productivity. I would love to hear all about it. Don't be shy. Leave a comment down below. The final task of my morning cleaning routine is vacuuming my kitchen. My kitchen is the area we hang out in probably the most. We spend most of our time, I feel, in the kitchen. And we have 2 dogs. If you're new to my channel, we have 2 Cavalier King Charles Spaniels. And unfortunately, they shed so badly. And with dark colored flooring, the fur is so obvious. You can see it right away, and it just really stresses me out when I see my floors looking dusty and furry. So I vacuum them on a daily basis. And some days, this is how crazy I am, some days I'm even vacuuming them twice. Give this video a thumbs up if you can relate. But the vacuum I'm using is a recent purchase. I just got this vacuum from Costco. If you saw my previous video, then you are familiar with it. It's the Shark Navigator, if I'm not mistaken, but I am in love with this vacuum. I have been using it now for a couple weeks. It has phenomenal suction, and it is a little bit smaller than my previous one, but I love the fact that it's lightweight. It's lighter than my previous one, easier to carry around, and my previous one is still usable. I actually am using it for my upstairs area, which is working out great. I love having a vacuum for each floor. It just makes my life that much easier. But another thing I like about this vacuum is the fact that it doesn't collect hair around the roller, and there's a term for that. I forget what they called that particular roller, but I love that, especially with having pets. So if you're interested, I will have it linked down below if you'd like to check it out. But I love mentioning products that are just great products. So I just thought I would mention that to you guys. Thank you so much for watching my morning cleaning routine. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new. I hope you have a wonderful day. I will see you in my next one. Take care.